Hello students, welcome back to the online classes of Sivaji Group of Institutions. Myself Prachi Trivedi, mathematics teacher of class 9th. Students, today we will revise the first chapter which is number system of maths, which is chapter name is number system, okay? Now, firstly, what is natural number? Accounting number 1, 2, 3, 4 are known as natural number and the set of natural number is denoted by capital N. Okay, these are the natural number. Now the next is whole number. Okay, the natural number together with 0 are called whole numbers and the set of whole numbers denoted by capital W. These are the whole number. Clear students? Now what is integers? The whole numbers along with negative of natural number -1, -2, -3 and so on are called integers and the set of integer is denoted by capital Z or capital I. Okay, and this is the example of integers. I is equals to -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the integers. Okay, student, representation of integers on the number line. Okay, this is the number line. This is the positive integers. This is the negative integers, and here is 0. We know that 0 is not a positive number, not a negative number. Okay, now students, the next is real number. What is real number? The real number consists of rational and irrational numbers. Rational and irrational number and the set of real numbers denoted by capital R. Okay. Now the rational number. What is rational number? The rational number can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q means denominator, does not equal to 0. Okay. Now the set of rational numbers denoted by capital Q. Okay, this is the representation of rational number. P upon Q, where P and Q means numerator and denominator belong to integers and denominator does not equal to 0 means Q does not equal to 0. This is the example. 3 by 5 is a rational number because 3 and 5 are the integers and 5 does not equal to 0. Similarly, -4 by 7 is also a rational number because -4, 7 belongs to integers. We know that -4 is an integer and 7 is also an integers and 7 does not equal to 0. Okay. Now student, it means every integer is a rational number. For example, 2 is a rational number, 2 by 1. -7 is a rational number. We can write it -7 by 1. Actually 0 is also a rational number because we can write 0 upon 1. We can write 0 upon 5. It means 0 is also a rational number. Okay, clear? Now students, the next is irrational number. Okay, what is irrational number? Okay, a number which can not be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, is called an irrational number and the set of irrational numbers is denoted by Q bar. Okay, student, there are infinitely many irrational numbers. Okay, now see the example. Square root of every non-perfect square natural number is irrational numbers. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 15. These are the non-perfect square natural number. Okay, and the next example is cube root of every non-perfect cube. These are the non-perfect cube. Then these are also a irrational number. Okay, now rational number in form of decimal. Okay, every rational number expressed when expressed in decimal form is expressible either in terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal form. Now students, what is terminating and non-terminating repeated? These are new words for you. Okay, now let's see what is terminating decimal. Students, terminating decimals are those numbers which come to an end after decimal point. For example, 1 upon 2 means when we divide 2 up, we get 0.0, 5 times 10, remainder is 0. We get 0.5. Okay. Then this is the terminating decimal. Okay, here the numbers come to decimal point in end after decimal point. See the definition. Definition is or those number which come to an end after decimal point, and here 0.5 is a fixed number. Okay, then this is the terminating decimal. Okay, similarly when we divide 5 by 8, we get 0.625. Okay, in another case, student, we can say that in terminating decimal expression, remainder will be always 0. Okay, we obtain remainder as a 0. Okay, now students, next is non-terminating repeating decimal. The name is non-terminating repeating or recurring decimal. Okay, a decimal in which a digit or a set of digits repeats periodically after the decimal points. Listen carefully, repeats, okay, periodically after the decimal point is called a non-terminating repeating decimal. For example, when we divide 2 by 3, okay, we use 0.3618, here 2. Okay, again we use 0, 3 6 18, and so on. Okay, we never get remainder as 0, and this is the example of non-terminating repeating, because 6 is repeated. Okay, non-terminating repeating decimal number. Okay students, now the next is irrational number in decimal form. A numbers whose decimal expansion in non-terminating, non-recurring, okay, non-terminating and non-recurring, listen carefully, is called irrational number. Okay, see the example. What is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal number? A non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is a decimal number that continues endlessly with no groups of digits. Okay, here the numbers after decimal is not common. Okay, repeating endlessly. See the example. Value of pi. Pi is an irrational number. Okay, value of pi is 3.1415929 and so on. Means ये ऐसे ही आगे चलता रहेगा. Okay, and the number after point is not a same number. Repeated number नहीं है ये. It means these are the example of the non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. I hope student this is clear. Okay, now students, revise this definition. We will discuss the next topic in my next class. Thank you so much.